Good morning, class 1. How are you? Fine? Okay. So, class 1, today we will do one chapter, that is from your English course book, chapter 2, part 5, and this is the final part of your course book. Today we will finish this chapter. We have few exercises. Only two exercises are left over here, and it will be your book work as well as your copy work. Okay, I will suggest you to do it in your copy. There are two exercises, one from page number 21 and one that is exercise E and F. Both are from page number 21 only. Okay, so do it in your notebook only. Although it is book work, you can do it in book, but one exercise you have to do it in book. So let us start. After this, we will have a new chapter in the next class. That will be from your grammar book. We will do it simultaneously like this only. One course book chapter, then one grammar book chapter. One course book chapter, then later on it will go like that only. So, in the previous part, what did we do? Let us revise. In the previous part, we have done part that is exercise C1 from page number 19, exercise C2 from page number 20, and exercise C3 from page number 20. We did 3 exercises in the last class, and the topic was common name and special name. I hope you have understand the common name and the special name. Now, in the next exercise is think of 2 more words that begin with the same sound. It is on page number 21. This exercise is on page number 21. This is exercise E. This is exercise E on page number 21, and this says you to think of 2 more words that begin with the same sound. Same sound matlab if the word is beginning with K. So you have to write another letter, another word starting from K. Okay, so let us start the exercise orally first, then we will have the written one. Okay, and before that, class 1, if you have joined the class, please write your name. Those who have joined the class, please write your name so that I could have an attendance that who had attended the class. Okay, you have to write your name in the discussion box for giving your attendance. So the exercise is think of 2 more words that begin with the same sound. First we will do it orally, then we will do it in written form. Like I have a marker here. Marker. The first sound that came from the mouth is M. Marker. तो एक और वर्ड बताइए जो म से शुरू हो. Marker, mouth, monkey, mug. I have given 3 more examples. Marker, monkey, mouth, mug. Likewise, this is remote. Remote. The first sound that came out is R. Remote. Run. Right. Rat. Okay. Now the next is book. This is book. Book. Bat. Tell me some more words. Book, bat, butterfly. Likewise, we have this exercise that says us to add two more words that begin with the same sound. उसी sound का दो और word हमको लिखना है and your questions are I'm just writing the questions only. Bat. The questions are bat, dash, dash. I will write this part first. I will erase that and then next I will write this part. Okay. Now let us start. Egg. E-G-G, egg. The first sound is egg. Here the first sound is B. Here the first sound is egg. Next is ink. I-N-K, ink. The first sound is ik. 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 Here it is B. So, two more words are bat, boat, B-O-A-T, boat, bag, B-A-G, bag. Next is egg. We have to write any word, two more words starting from egg. Okay, and sound as well as letter are also applicable here. अगर आपको एक से कुछ ना मिले तो आप ई से भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, या तो साउंड मैच होना चाहिए या तो वो लेटर मैच होना चाहिए. So here it is eat, E-A-T, eat, E-A-R, ear, E-A-T, eat, E-A-R, ear. Next is ink. Ink. I says E and E, ink. E, India. I-N-D-I-A, India. Now class 1, look here. Here I have written I capital because India is a special name, and in the last class only I have told you that we write any special name with a capital letter. किसी भी special name को हम capital letter से ही start करते हैं. And I for import. I, import. Okay, so again I will repeat it. Bat, boat, bag. Egg. Here we have taken E. E for egg, E for eat, E for ear. Now E, India, E, import. So shall I erase it? Just have a look. I will erase it. This is E exercise of page number 21. And you have to write two more words starting with the same sound. And the words are jug. J-U-G, jug, and the sound is j. You have to add two more words here. The next is kite. K. J-A-M, jam. J, jet. K, kite. K, king. K, keep. K-E-E-P, keep. Here there is a long sound. डबल ई जब लगेगा तो वो ई हो जाएगा. क ई प, keep. Next is X-ray. Okay, X sometimes it says Z also. Z. Okay, so the answers are Xerox. The answers are Xerox. Z-X-E-R-O-X. Xerox. 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 And the next word is Xmas. Xmas. So here it is exercise E that asks you to write 2 more words starting with the same sound. Same sound से start होने वाले 2 और words लिखने हैं. Okay. So here this exercise is over. Now we are here in the last exercise that is on page number 21. Exercise F. Okay. Exercise F. Now we are here at exercise F, chapter number 2, course book, the red raincoat exercise F from page number 21. It is on page number 9 in your notes. आपको जो notes मिला है ये page number 9 में है. And in book it is on page number 21. Here there is a simple rule. जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया था कि whenever you write special name it should start with capital letter. वैसे ही sentence लिखने का भी एक rule होता है कि whenever, like if you are writing my name is, if I have written my name is Prashasti Bharadwaj, so the first letter that is M, that will be capital. और जब हम अपना नाम लिखेंगे तब भी कैपिटल होगा, सरनेम लिखेंगे उसका भी पहला लेटर कैपिटल होगा. और एक और रूल है that whenever we have ended the sentence, the last there will be a full stop. Last में एक full stop आएगा. You have learned in KG2 when you were writing this is a bat, it is green. लिखते थे ना sentences. This is an apple, it is red. So first letter was always capital and at last you were putting a full stop. The same rule we will follow here also. Now the question is F exercise, use capital letters to rewrite these sentences. I want this to be in the notebook. Although it is book work and this will be your homework of the day. The F exercise is your homework. This F exercise is your homework. I am marking it off. This is HW. This you need to write in the notebook. आज का डेट लिखेंगे और होमवर्क भी लिखना है. The first sentence is I will just write what is written in the book. Then I will give you a blank. Blank means वहाँ आपको उसका सही आंसर लिखना है. Her name is Sunita. The sentence is H-E-R, her, N-A-M-E, name, I-S is, her name is Sunita, S-U-N-I-T-H-A. This is the question sentence. So what is the wrong that is written in the book? अभी हमको ये sentence को देखना है and 3 rules that I have told उसको मैच करना है कि इसमें वो मैच हुआ है कि नहीं. The first rule is start the sentence with a capital letter. Sentence को हमेशा capital letter से शुरू करो. Yes, it has been started with a capital letter. ये तो capital letter से start हुआ है. Now, अगर किसी का नाम आता है, special name आता है, तो first letter is always capital. Is it capital? No. So here we need to correct it. इसको हमको correct करना है. And at last there should be a full stop. Yes, it is correct. So there is only one mistake in this sentence, that the first letter of the name is not capital. So we will write the answer as, इसके नीचे लिखना है, ठीक है? I have given you a blank in the notes. That means वहाँ पर हमें correct करके लिखना है. And the same sentence we have to rewrite. Rewrite का मतलब होता है फिर से लिखिए. इससे हमें फिर से लिखना है, but the correct one. So the sentence will be H-E-R, her, N-A-M-E, name, I-S is, S will be capital because Sunita is a special name. S-U-N-I-T-H-A. Sunita, full stop. Is it clear? Class 1, maybe you will be confused about this surname, this spelling. Okay? ये शायद आपको सुनीता की spelling नहीं लग रही होगी, because you always have seen, as your Hindi teacher is Sunita ma'am, she writes S-U-N-E-E-T. Okay, and here it is S-U-N-I-T-H-A. Let me tell you, ये दोनों correct है. ठीक है? जब किसी का special name हम लिखते हैं ना, तो जैसे मान लो मेरा नाम है, ठीक है? If I want to write it A-N-O-O, then also it is okay. And if I am writing A-N-U, then also it is okay. क्योंकि special names में कभी-कभी spellings change चलता है. But the rule is first letter is always capital, and it must be capital everywhere. So here we have done number 1. Now number 2. Please prompt me, kindly prompt me if my voice is not clear. From the next time onwards, I will work on it. Number 2 is we are going to Shimla. G-O-I-N-G, going to Shimla. Shimla is a place. Shimla एक place है, इसीलिए Shimla will become a special name. We are going to Shimla on Sunday. On Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. And there is a full stop here also. So, मैम ने आपको 3 rules बताए हैं ना सेंटेंस लिखने के. The first rule is पहला लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए. Yes, it is capital here. Second rule, अगर कोई स्पेशल नेम आए तो उसका पहला लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए. Here it is written Shimla, but first letter is not capital, so we have to correct it. And here also Sunday, S is not capital, so we have to correct it. Okay, and there is a full stop. So only one mistake is there कि जो स्पेशल नेम है उसको हमको कैपिटल में लिखना है. So we are rewriting it. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? रीराइट कर रहे हैं, मतलब इसी सेंटेंस को करेक्ट करके फिर से लिख रहे हैं. वी आर रीराइटिंग इट. वी आर रीराइटिंग इट. So let me write the answer. Let me write the correct sentence actually. So the correct sentence is we are going to Shimla, because Shimla is a special name, so capital S. We are going to Shimla, capital S. H-I-M-L-A. We are going to Shimla. O and on. Here S will be Sunday. S will be capital because Sunday is a special name. On S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Okay. So this is sentence number 1 and this is sentence number 2. We need to write 2 more sentences. I am just leaving it for a minute. Just note it down. Okay. So shall I erase it? We need to write 2 more sentences, that is number 3 and number 4. This is exercise E of notebook page number 21 and this is your homework of the day, that is rewrite the sentences. Use capital letters to rewrite these sentences. Number 3. Now it is number 3. Number 3 is Geeta has a pet monkey. G-E-E-T-A, Geeta. H-A-S, has a pet monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, full stop. After that it is written, his name is Jumpy. H-I-S, his. N-A-M-E, name, is Jumpy. एक मंकी है गीता के पास जिसका नाम जंपी है. So this is the sentence and we have to rewrite it. इसे हमको rewrite करना है यानी कि फिर से लिखना है. So before writing we have to check the sentence. लिखने से पहले sentence को check करना है कि what is the mistake. First letter is capital? No. The first letter is not capital and also Geeta is a special name. Geeta तो special name है. So G should be capital here. So we have to correct this one. Geeta has a pet monkey. His name is Jumpy. Monkey का नाम Jumpy है. That means Jumpy is a special name. So we need to correct this also. So G will be capital and J will be capital. So here the answer is capital G. You need to write with capital G. Geeta has a pet monkey. Next sentence is his name, N-A-M-E, name, is Jumpy. J will be capital because Jumpy is a special name. J-U-M-P-Y, Jumpy. Geeta has a pet monkey. His name is Jumpy. Now number 4. Number 4 is Uncle Manu is a doctor. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. M-A-N-U, Manu. I-S is रीराइट इट इफ इट इज इनकरेक्ट. अगर ये इनकरेक्ट है तो इसे फिर से लिखना पड़ेगा उसे करेक्ट करके. सो फर्स्ट लेटर इज नॉट कैपिटल, so this is wrong. Manu is a special name and M is not capital. It is wrong. And here there is a full stop. It is correct. So what we need to do? We need to correct these two letters. U should be capital and M should be capital. क्योंकि सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होना चाहिए. ओके. एंड स्पेशल नेम कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होना चाहिए. सो वी आर राइटिंग आंसर एज U should be capital here. UNCLE, uncle. Manu is a doctor. Uncle Manu is a doctor. So this E exercise from page number 21 is your homework. You need to write in your homework notebook. There are 4 sentences. The first sentence is her name is Sunita. The second sentence is we are going to Shimla on Sunday. The third sentence is Geeta has a pet monkey and his name is Jumpy. And the fourth sentence is Uncle Manu is a doctor. So that's all for today's class.